Abhishek.
So why are you protesting here?
Sir, we lost our parents, our field, and our cultivation.
All the cultivations. So what is the purpose for this protest?
Now this government is not helping us. Instead of helping us, they want to take away our field.
So what happened to you, sir?
When I was small, my mother took me to the field, and my father told me everything about agriculture. He told me to love the field. He told me to love the nature. He told me to love the Mother Earth. But when I grown up,
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Yes, my son. My son.
What, Dad? I'm an ITI company manager. If I work for an hour, I'll get 1 lakh rupees for a month. Will you get that much money? Work for whole year. You won't get that much money, Dad.
My son. You are telling like that. See, you are getting money, but where are you eating? Are you ever thought about it? My son, you will not realize. You cannot feed back whatever I fed you from childhood now. See how you are working hard. You cannot imagine what we are working is going to the market and rich people are eating and feeding themselves and becoming fat, and they are telling we have money. What son? Here also you cannot feed back your father whatever I fed you. Now you are rich. Don't deny me. Don't deny me, my son. Don't deny.
Just stop, Dad. That's enough.
Not rain. What we can cultivate in this land?
Mud also irritated.
Mud also dry.
Sir. It is your land.
Yes.
It is your own or somebody's own.
This is our own.
Whose cultivation? All these things.
This is our.
Sir, we have come to take your lands to buy. See, are you able to see that land? Sir, for that land we have given 2 crores. So what? We are going to establish your industry. So you need this land.
No, we cannot give. It's our land. See, this is our mother.
Wait. It will not keep. Will take away.
Sorry, son. We cannot give our land.
She will give 5 crores.
Money is not matter. Money is not matter. But land is very important.
Sir, 5 crores as well as 1 job in our factory.
No need. No job, nothing. We want only farmer.
We will give you money and jobs, sir.
Will you use the money?
Sir, you can buy.
What? Who will cultivate? Who will cultivate? Without land. We take away the land, who will cultivate?
We will come to them. Okay.
If you build the building, only one farmer will work. Others, they cannot get.
You will face the consequences. Very soon you will face. Come,
Anything happen, no problem.
you will see.
Dear friends, we want your land because we want to build a factory. We'll give 5 crore money and as well as job for permanently as you live in this world. What is your opinion?
Sorry, we cannot give because this is my mother, our mother.
Oh,
It is the one which feeds us.
but for us also necessary to build because it is useful for our generation, future generation, and many people will benefit in this company.
No problem, but we cannot give. We cannot take away this land from us. Please
See,
don't feel bad.
if you are not giving, we know how to take your land. Please kindly give and go.
Sorry, sir, we cannot give. Please get out from here. Don't stand here.
We
We
will
want
see.
our land. We'll see.
We will
Okay.
see. Okay.
What happened? What happened to my dad? I'll prove that farmers are the backbone of India.
Bro, don't cry, bro. Don't cry. It is not only your parents died. All over the India, many of them are dying. Day by day. Instead of crying, you work, you protest. You protest, you become a farmer and prove it. You prove it who is a farmer. You prove it. Farmers are the backbone of India. Don't cry, bro. Don't cry. We will work together. We will work.
Sir, at this time, what would you like to say?
We farmers, we are not at all happy because our present government is not helpful. We farmers have lost everything. We lost our lands. Even we lost our parents. Those support against government because of their culprits.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you say, sir? What do you want to say, sir?
Corporate people are coming. They are taking our lands. Where will go, sir? There is nowhere to go. Sir, we are not getting even Delhi food. These corporate people came and took our lands. There are my elder brother suicide. Sir, there is no way, sir. What shall we do, sir? Even I will die, sir. Nobody knows when you will die. Sir, I don't have anything.
Yes, sir. If there is no farmers, no food, no life. You are thinking that you are breaking the backbone of farmers, but you are breaking the backbone of India.